Just talking about some other stuff that I liked from the class. I really liked how we had to do a lesson plan, but I also really liked how we had to do it with a co-teacher. So I felt like in that aspect we weren't alone in a sense. So it was kind of nice to know that there was somebody there with us to help us out through thick and thin. I'm also pretty grateful for the co-teacher that I was partnered with. She really helped me a lot. We struggled a little bit throughout the lesson plan, but we knew we had each other's backs and we wanted to both work at it to make it the best lesson plan that we could possibly put out there for the participants and to see what we could do. I felt like we worked really good together. Our means of communication was really good. We either talked or text every other day about the lesson plan. We tried to meet up at least once or twice a week. So in that aspect, I felt like it was really good. Another part that I would say I want to take away from the class would be in regards to the lesson plan also was the meetings that Dr. Dewalt had with us to prep us about the lesson plan, try to give us some of his feedback, not really giving us the answer, but trying to steer us in the right direction. So I really appreciate him for taking the time out of the week to do that. And we had meetings occasionally, like every other week. So he tried to give us as much feedback and as much guidance as he could. So I thank him for that. So overall, I really like the structure and organization of the class. So it was a really good lesson experience, and I felt like I really learned some stuff to take into the future in my future academic teaching career. So for that, I thank you. Another part that I really liked that I didn't get to include was how we had a visitor one class period that went over a city map with us to show us like wherever our school district or school was, how we could see all around the school. We could see like the levels of poverty. We could see the level of people that would get school lunch. We could see the people that were different ethnic races, different stuff in general. So I really like that tool that was presented to us. I will definitely take that into consideration. So that was another part of the class that I really liked and thought was very knowledgeable. Thank you.